This is how you make grilled chicken. Alright, so you get your chicken. And then you put it on like a pan. Like that. I'm just gonna use like steak seasoning. So pour some of this on here. Don't put too much, or it'll be too like salty. And then you do the other side. Just like that. Then once your grill is heated up, you want to just clean it with a wire brush. Make sure you clean it good. You don't want that gunk getting on the chicken. Make sure you get in. Alright, so once your grill is clean, you want to get your chicken on the grill. Just like that. And then so once you get your chicken on the grill, just want to leave it there, close your lid. Just leave it there for like maybe 3 minutes on one side, and then just keep checking on it every now and then. Alright, so after a few minutes, just want to flip them over. Flip the other side of the chicken. And when you cook chicken, you want to make sure it's done well, because if not, you can get sick if you don't cook the chicken through all the way. So yeah, just check back in a few minutes. Also gonna add in some chopped peppers here. So, add some peppers. Alright, so after a few more minutes, like if you have a thinner piece, it'll get done quicker. So you want to get those off so you don't burn them. So this one's pretty thin, so I'm gonna take that one off. But some of the thicker pieces, like these two, stay on a little longer. And this one's kind of like in the middle, so I'm gonna just leave this a little bit longer. So yeah, just come back in a few more minutes. Alright guys, so after a few more minutes, your chicken should be done by now. And you want to get your cooked chicken on a separate plate that you had your raw chicken on. This is so like the raw chicken juices don't get on the cooked chicken, because you can get sick like that. So I'm gonna get the cooked chicken on a different plate. Smells really good. And get my peppers too. Grill on the plate. Almost fell. So yep, bring this inside. Alright guys, so here's my chicken and peppers. It smells and looks really delicious, so yeah. Alright guys, so here's the taste test. Get a small piece of chicken and some peppers. Delicious. That's good. The chicken with the peppers is such a good combination. So good. Anyway, guys, I hope you learned how to grill chicken, and I hope you can make it because it's really good. And thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and comment and share to your friends. So thank you.